And here you can see the sun simulator again, but what happens here is it gets dimmer and then it switches off. It takes about 2 minutes to do that. You can see from the time here, 8:06, 8:07, 8:08. Now, figure 1 below shows the pink sky over Greenwich, New York on April 4th, 2019, and the yellow sky over Almaty in Kazakhstan on April 6, 2019. Both events occurred in the night sky, and since Almaty is 10 hours ahead of Greenwich, the two events seem to have occurred about 1.5 days apart. The two locations are at the same latitude, in other words, 43 degrees north, and close to 180 degrees apart in longitude, which means they occurred at basically opposite sides of the Earth. And here you can see how pink the skies were, obviously an object emitting pink light in the sky.
Something's not right.
Oh, is it greenhouse? Those are greenhouses. That's weird.
The object below traversed the sun at a speed which was 15 times less than the sun's escape velocity. And you can see this object here starting to enter the sun's corona. You can see that because there's red light in front of it. And part of it is still out, so part of it is still in darkness. You can actually see that part against the background of corona that is behind the object. There it is inside the corona, traversing the sun, keeps going, and then here it starts to exit. You can see the part that's darker there, and there it goes. It leaves the corona. So this object was actually inside the corona. That's why there's red light between the back of the object and the detector. And because we can see the object entering and exiting, we can calculate its speed.